Hi everyone, want to create an eye-catching thumbnails in any language, whether it's English, Spanish, Tagalog, or more, the Pixels AI has got you covered. Let's get started. First, go to the pixels.com and choose a thumbnail template to get started. You can also generate one from the scratch using a text prompt. Then here you can click a text tool and write or type your title in any language. The pixels support the characters from Japanese, Korean, Arabic, Hindi, and more. And then after that, you can also choose a font that support your language. You can adjust the color, the outline, shadows, and size of your text so that your text stands out in even Latin scripts and make it relatable. You can add cultural icons, local currency, and more. And then after that, you can preview or how it looks like in your YouTube homepage or mobile view. Then click download or upload it straight to your video. And now you're ready to go and make a global ready thumbnails with Pixels AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI creator tips. Thanks for watching.